Home Canning, Guide 6. Preparing and Canning Fermented Foods and Pickled Vegetables. Guide 6 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on preparing and canning fermented foods and pickled vegetables. It's important to select fresh, firm fruits or vegetables free of spoilage for the best results. The proportion of fresh food to other ingredients affects flavor and safety. This guide provides detailed instructions for a variety of fermented and pickled products, including dill pickles, both fermented and quick pack, sauerkraut, bread and butter pickles, sweet gherkin pickles, 14-day sweet pickles, pickled asparagus, pickled dilled beans, pickled beets, pickled 3-bean salad, pickled carrots and baby carrots, pickled cauliflower or Brussels sprouts, chayote and jicama slaw, bread and butter pickled jicama, pickled mushrooms, pickled peppers, pickled mixed vegetables, pickled bread and butter zucchini, chayote and pear relish, piccalilli, pickle relish, pickled corn relish, pickled green tomato relish, pickled horseradish sauce, spicy jicama relish, tangy tomatillo relish, no sugar added pickled beets, no sugar added sweet pickled cucumber slices, reduced sodium sliced dill pickles, reduced sodium sliced sweet pickles. Fermented foods like dill pickles and sauerkraut require a curing period of several weeks, during which colors and flavors change, and acidity increases. Fresh pack or quick process pickles are not fermented, but some are brined before being covered with vinegar and seasonings. Fruit pickles are prepared by heating fruit in a seasoned syrup acidified with lemon juice or vinegar. Relishes are made from chopped fruits and vegetables cooked with seasonings and vinegar. When preparing pickles, use canning or pickling salt. White distilled and cider vinegars of 5% acidity are recommended. Processing pickles in a boiling water canner prevents spoilage from microorganisms and enzymes. Standard canning jars and self-sealing lids are recommended. Processing times and procedures vary according to food acidity and the size of food pieces. Recipes with reduced salt content are provided, but their quality may be noticeably different. The acidity level of salsas is also important for safe processing in a boiling water canner. After processing, do not retighten the jar lids, and cool the jars at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Following the guidelines in this guide will help you create safe and delicious fermented and pickled foods at home. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!